Hello, good morning. All are welcome for my Industrial Safety and Awareness program. You may be knowing me. I am Sadashivan. Last so many days I used to come here and giving you the safety oriented training. First, I have given you 10 videos on general safety awareness. Then another 20 videos on basic fire safety awareness. Then again I have given 20 videos on basic electrical safety awareness program. Now we have come to an industrial safety and awareness program. Here also I have given you last class up to 17 video. What are the hazards? So today we will be discussing with a new subject. So before going to the class, I have a request with you. This is a continuous education program I have planned for for those who are working in industry, because they can get some basic knowledge of the safety, so that we can get achieving a good safe working in the industry. And in addition to that, there is also a very good job opportunities are there and so many in the safety area. So those who are interested, they can get some degree or diploma and get a good job also in the safety area. Okay, so already this type of videos I have given in completely in Malayalam. Now this I have already started in English, and every alternate days, that is Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I used to come here and discuss the subject. Okay, first so let us understand the things better way. Okay, first what I discuss you, what is hazards and its type. How many type of hazards are there? What is hazard? Hazard means anything which can get harmful to us or potential to harm to our health. Such type of things is known as a hazards. There are so many hazards also. I can discuss physical hazards, mechanical hazards, radiation hazards, chemical hazards, like this way. So this or that I am not going to discuss more details today, because we have already discussed on last class. Today what we are going to discuss is what is a physical hazards. How many type of physical hazards are there? What do you understand by a physical hazards? These things we are just getting a knowledge. Physical means our body itself. It is a very common type of hazard normally happening in many of the industry, not only in industry, also in our working area also you can get that something is there. Just general common hazards are there, like a slip trip falls. Slip trip falls means, what do you mean by slip trip falls? This is a physical type of hazard. Suppose on the way some wire or something is there, we are not watching and we are just touching it and slipping there, so we may fall on also. That is a slip type of hazards. And also sometimes the floor area is having so much of a wet is there, water is there, while we are stepping, we are slipping it there. Similar trip, while you are going to step up or step down, if proper step you have not done, then you may have a tripping also. Also falling can occur, falling from the height level also can occur, also from the same level also occur. So this type of physical hazards are very common in most of the not only in industry and also in our workplaces and even house also. So you have to take care about the thing. That's for that one, a good housekeeping you have to record it there, and for all the proper materials and kept it in a proper place. For these things you have to do it. So such type of hazards we can reduce it. That is slip trip falls. Next one is a fire. Fire is a, already we have talked to a very detailed course on a fire. Fire, anything can be happen when all this thing, oxygen, heat and fuel, when all the things are combines are for there, fire can happen. Because of the fire, so many life can also spoil, and also property can also spoil, and brain injury can occur there. That is how the fire hazards. That is separately we can say that fire hazard, because that is also going to affect our physical body. Next one is vibration. Vibration due to any machinery or due to any other sound noise, etc., which can be occur there in the industry. Very machineries, heavy machine, it is working like a turbines and other things. So much of vibration is there that may affect our physical body. Even that may giving a continuous headache and other then those who are working in that area. So that is a vibration is another type of area. And also we can have high temperature area, the temperature where it is too much of there, that is heat which can cause which may cause our physical body, not only temperature, and also noise pollution, that is also getting out our concentration, that can become an headache or any other thing while you are working. So all these things, that is fire, vibration, heat. Another important thing is their radiation. Whatever the mobile also which we are using is their radiation. It may not be affected immediately, but a longer time when you are using the such type of radiation effect also can cause damage to our body. So this is also a radiation effect is also coming in this category. So this is also a physical type of a hazards. Then another one is electricity. When we are talking about the electricity, you may be knowing that first one is a shock. Whenever if the electricity we are not properly used, that shock can be occur there. That is very dangerous. Even that can kill our life immediately. So a small current which can cause passing through our body can cause our life loss also. So not only current passing through our body, because of the electricity, some burn injury can occur there, and also burning those who are working in the height with the electricity. If some shock or anything they received it there, they can fall also there. That is again another physical results there because of this electricity. Then spark and dark like a fire, again another dangerous thing with the electricity, which can cause damage our eye and other thing. So like this way, so many hazards are there in our physical hazards. Electricity is also there. So these are some of the physical hazards. There are so many other type of physical hazards is there. That is cold. When the people, those who are working in very cold area, like heat area, the same thing, cold also becoming very difficult to work in such places like a cold chamber and other thing. That is also a physical hazard. So these are some of the physical hazards that I have given some basic knowledge only to to get some idea about the physical hazards. So what are the, let us have just revise the thing which we have taught you. The physical hazards are a general common type of hazards which normally occur in most of the industry, not only in industry, in workplaces also. That is, physically our body can get affected. Like these are some of the physical hazards most commonly occurring are sleep, trip, and falls. These are the three things which is normally always occurring in work area. So that's why good housekeeping is the one of the most important thing for avoiding that safety falls. Then fire is another physical type of hazard. So in order to avoid fire, so fire safety training must be given to every people, and also how to extinguish the fire, that also must be known. Then vibration, then another one is heat, radiation. All these things are coming to the physical type of hazard. Radiation and this electricity. So everything I have just mentioned you, you must have got some idea. Okay, for the time being, I am just stopping. Wishing all of you a good day. Good day means happy, healthy, and safety. Thank you to everybody.